Hello from Rome. Long time no see. Today I have something special from you. I'm here between the buildings of Rome's biggest university and Italy's biggest university, called La Sapienza, Wisdom. And this is not just another university, guys. Not only it's one of the biggest universities here in Europe, it is also the oldest university in the world. Yes, it was established in the year 1303, which makes it more than 700 years old. This is just mind-blowing. Anyway, this is La Sapienza. It was founded as a papal university and has known lots of turmoil and sacks and problems. Eventually, when the Republic of Italy was founded in the 19th century, it became a university owned by the government or the municipality. It is here where tens of thousands of students come every day to learn. I guess some parts of the university are outside of the campus, in the buildings nearby, and some parts of the university are inside. And as you can see, it's pretty chill. Most people are probably on vacation already. And the weather is really amazing, so people are hanging out, doing some picnics, which is pretty cool. You even have a defibrillator here, which is nice. Check out those cool spots where you can basically hang, eat, charge your phone, and it's solar, which is also pretty awesome. So you can sit, hang out here, work. Pretty cool. Here there's a museum of classic art. Here is the gymnastics building. No, it's Genetica. It's the genetics building where they study the genome and how to duplicate human beings. Maybe I can go there and duplicate myself. This is pretty impressive. Here upstairs, it's written in Latin, actually. Doctrina vim promovet incitam rectique cultus pectora roborant. I have no idea what it says. I'm very bad. My Latin is just disgraceful. So if you guys know what it means, leave a comment below and let me know. Boy, it's getting hot here. It's very quiet now in the university because of Easter. So basically everyone's on Easter vacation. And so it's pretty quiet. Let's see what's over there. It's funny because Rome is known for being a dirty city. But once you pass the border and you enter the campus, it's so clean, it's so beautiful. It's just this island. Here's the building of anthropology and psychology. Oh, there's a store. Let's check out the store. Since we are still in Italy, you can see they are doing some renovations. It's a very Italian thing that every city, every town, every building, you will see renovation projects. Nothing's ever completed. There's always something being renovated. Salve! Posso dare un'occhiata? Grazie. Okay guys, so this is the concept store of the Sapienza University. Let's see what they have here. So you have some sports gear, running and gym clothes and pants. You have for rainy days, for summer days. Pretty cool. And then you have pullovers, which says Sapienza University di Roma, established 1303. And the motto of the university in Latin, Studium Urbis. Cosa significa Studium Urbis? City of Studies. Here you can buy in the outlet section some pretty good prices. So you have the t-shirts of Sapienza, you have the hat, pretty cool hat, I must admit. You have the blanket for winter times. 1303. They are very proud here in the year they were established, and rightfully so. Oh, an apron. They have clothes for kids as well, so in case you have a little one at home and you want them to aspire for greatness, yeah, you can give them one of those. Of course, there's a pen. Of course, there's a backpack. Then you have pens and pencils and mugs, of course, and high quality pens of Sapienza, and even more high quality pens of Sapienza by Pierre Don, and mouse pads, and a mask. Ciao. And a bottle. And of course, this is amazing, guys. They have the mocha machine of Sapienza University. This is just beautiful. As you can notice, this typical red is the red of Sapienza University. Oh, and slippers. Very cool. Very cool. Grazie, signore. Guys, so grazie. So you can order online. Everything you see here, I'll post the link down below. Pretty cool. So, well, it's your typical Italian cafeteria. They have baked goods. Posso dare un'occhiata? They have baked goods. And they have muffins. Scusate, signore. And they have sandwiches of all types. Here in Italy, as you can see, it's very typical. They love making sandwiches. They like to cut the crust from the bread. So you buy sandwiches without the crust. You see? And they have all kinds of sandwiches with prosciutto and salmon and eggs. And then in the fridge, you have more sandwiches, some salads, some healthy salads, freshly made this morning, some yogurts. Yeah, and of course you have espresso machines. And of course you have also drinks, because sometimes, you know, student life in the evening after a hard day of studying, in the sociology department where the hardcore studies happen, you come here and you get an aperitivo. You can hang out with your friends over an aperitivo and enjoy life. See, here you can hang out. Very cool. I like this university. I gotta tell you, the vibes here are awesome. Here there's a cool pathway. It's like this little street where you have the post office. So you have a post office right next to you. There's a bank for the students. It's very convenient. I really want to explore a building, but I'm not sure which one to explore. The statistics building. Let's check out the statistics building. Thing is, it's pretty empty since it's Easter. Check it out. I love it how all these buildings have entrances from various places, and I love it how they have movie posters inside. That's cool. We have libraries in the middle of the hall. This is a classroom. This is a classroom. Here in the statistics building, you have where you can put your bags and clothes. This is pretty cool because they still have the old-fashioned boards, which is pretty cool. Let's see what they've been studying. Yeah, I don't understand the word. And here you can basically take a seat. Check out those old-fashioned. Wow! Check this out. Vietato sedersi. This is Italy, guys. This is Italy. So you have benches, and it says, "Sitting is not allowed." Well, what is it here for? Just decoration? So I'm basically being kicked out from the building by some officials who told me you're not allowed to shoot, you don't have authorizations. Wow. Check out this building, guys. Here you have the Mineralogy Building. Now, this is just beautiful. This is basically, if my eyes are telling me correctly, this is a fascist building from the 20s or 30s. It's the Mineralogy and Geology Building, and it's a part of a beautiful square. Wow. And as you can see, there are several fascist buildings here. This is the Faculty of Jurisprudenza. I don't even know what it is. But as you can see, this square, here you have students enjoying the sunny day. And here you have an enormous fascist building. Wow. So here you have some kind of a wall statue. Instituta omnium e domina e regina virtutum. I have no idea what it means, it's Latin. But you can tell there's a guy here and he's naked with a rope and a horse on his back. Here's the motto, the slogan of the university: Studium Urbis, city of studies. But this is a classic fascist building from the Mussolini era, the 20s or the 30s. How can you tell it's a fascist building? Well, it's pretty easy. It is huge and goes to show the power of the state. And the entrance is huge, and the tiny individual, need to walk through the main gate, and you feel like a dwarf amidst giant, and the giant is the state. And you are the tiny individual, worthless in the eyes of the state. The fascist architecture here in Italy, it reminds me of the Nazi architecture in Germany. And on the other side of the building, of this huge, enormous building, there's yet another statue, a wall statue, which says, again, a horse and a naked man, now pointing to the other direction, and it says, Sacer et magnus vatum labor omnia fato eripit. I have no idea what it means. Labor is work. Omnia is any work. But yeah, gonna have to Google this one, guys. Okay, so it is a statue. So she holds a sphere and she has a shield in her hand. She lifts them up in the air. On her head there's a dragon, I think, and on her right arm there's the snake. And just look at the symmetry, guys. And there's yet another fascist building. So you see that it's a series of three. The huge one here, on the left one, and on the right another one. And together they make this beautiful, beautiful square that just goes to show the might of the state. As I told you, this university was founded as a papal university, University of the Pope. But later on, in the unification of Italy, when Italy became a republic, this place became state owned by the city or the municipality. Let's go and check the mathematics building here. So tranquil. I'm gonna subscribe to the university. What can I tell you? I'm gonna enlist here. Do you think you can do a degree in vlogging? Is there a vlogger degree? Check out this third building in the series of the fascist building. It's just beautiful. Completely symmetric. A cube with this amazing marble front and this beautiful, beautiful modernist entrance where you feel so small. Wow. So here in the entrance hall it says Dipartimento di Matematica. This is probably the founder. And here there's a studying room, but just look at the shape of the door. It's so unique. You can tell this is a 20s or 30s building. Just look at the doors, how much light they bring in. Here there's another studying room. And check out those windows, guys. Beautiful, huge windows. Fortunately, the doors are locked. Inside you have black marble on the walls. So much light. And here you have this little courtyard that links, I guess, between this building and another building. Maybe let's try and go upstairs. Here there's a beautiful porch. Check it out, guys. You can overlook the entire square. Wow. This is great architecture. Okay. And then the site as you go out. This beautiful square. It's just beautiful. Okay, guys. Look, this campus is huge. So we could explore here forever and ever. If you liked it and you want me to come back here and explore some more, leave a comment down below. Go back to the campus and risk your life. Or crazy Italians shout at you that you can't film here although it's a public university. Write that exact quote. If you write that exact quote down below, I'll just come back and explore some more. I hope you liked it, but before we go, oh my god. Look at this one. So pretty. This is a 30s or 40s modernist building. It's a Bauhaus building. Just beautiful. Okay, guys. See you on the next one. Ciao, ciao. I just saw this funny ad in the street. It's an ad for funerals. So it says the lowest prices in Rome. A complete funeral for 1,250 euros. And check out this beautiful photo of a coffin where your loved one can lie forever. So come to Exequia Funeral Services. Unfortunately, I'm not, I don't have anyone to bury, but it seems very attractive.